listening to Verdict Firehouse.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Hello Raindrops! I wanted to show you guys this Micomlan LED desk lamp and check it out. I needed something to help light up the areas when I do my unboxing and also when I am on my computer because it is quite dark in my room. This has 7 rotating joints, high color rendering, automatic dimming, multiple lighting modes, power off memory function, and an ultra wide lighting area. So I got this sent in the mail to test it out, and I wanted to share it with you guys while I'm doing it because it was my first thing that I've ever actually received from a company, so that's kind of exciting. So let's go ahead and check out this very cool desk lamp. Look at that. It's gigantic. It's got this cool swing arm and it attaches right on to your desk. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, it's a very heavy package here. So let's see. Move this box out of the way. Here is the welcome guide that shows you kind of what to do and a letter of thanks. Okay, let's pull out the lamp here. Let's actually grab this first. Here is the power adapter. And then let's pull out our lamp here. Wow, this feels like really sturdy. Let's see. Let's pull it out of this bag. So you can see this is what it looks like all folded up. It actually looks kind of small compared to what it looks like on the pictures. Oh, okay, thank you. So you can see there are buttons on the front, a power, a mode, a light, and another power button. And here is where it attaches. So it does unfold to be quite large actually. So this is what you use to attach it to your desk. It's like this lamp and it's got this rubber piece attached to it so it won't do damage to your furniture. It does fold out here. Very cool. And look at how big and wide these can get. So both sides here fold out and down depending on how you want it. And of course the buttons here are very easy. They're just touch buttons. You don't have to push and click anything. You see this is where the power cord plugs in. And then this is what it looks like attached. So I have attached it to the desk here and it even rotates here at the joint there, which is crazy. So you can really customize this for any space that you actually need. Look how tall this is. This is gigantic. Beside it is a regular lamp and this is it with the power on, and you can see I can adjust the brightness. So right now I just have the middle lamp on and look how bright that actually gets. Then you can change the color modes so you can have it softened for yourself if you like, depending on what kind of mood you want to set, which I think is really cool. So they have lots of options there. And then of course we need to cut on the side lights as well because those can make a big difference in lighting. So let's see. Let's cut those on and look, it just gets so super bright. And again, of course, those work along with adjusting the brightness and you can bend it down. And look at all of the pivot points. It has like 270-degree rotation. So this is what it looks like when I'm doing an unboxing here without the lights on. So you can see the lights are not on right now. And then let's cut the lights on so you can see what it looks like. Look how bright it just lights up this area. And this isn't even on the brightest mode. This is the dimmest mode. So you can actually click or hold the button down and it will automatically dim for you. So it's super awesome for not only unboxing, but just for your desk area as well. Here are the different mode adjustments. You can see how it really just lightens up the space and makes everything so much easier to see. And I love the warm mode too, especially when I'm probably just playing on my computer, not necessarily doing an unboxing video. But I love how easy it is to customize to the space you want. You can just attach it to any hard surface, but it folds up in case you need to not have it so widespread. You don't have to use those arms. just in case it gets in the way. But let's say you want to unfold them at certain points, you can do that as well. You can even leave the lights on facing up if you want to do different types of lighting in your room. So I definitely recommend this for anyone who wants to unbox. It's very sturdy and well made. It is on Amazon right now. I will put the link in the video below. It right now is $69.99, but you can apply a 30% coupon. So I definitely suggest getting that before that coupon expires. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye, Raindrops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.